Okay, let's go.
I know that you're gonna love 'em. Come eat my panties off